Hello everyone, MML Tech here with a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the chroma key or luma key, whatever you want to call it. I will show you how to remove any kind of background using the free DaVinci Resolve software. And for that I prepared a video with a green screen. Let's just drag the video in DaVinci Resolve. And now it's very simple. All you have to do is go to effects, make sure you have the effects right here. Now, if you use the latest version, the chroma key filter was moved under Resolve FX and filters right here. I'll go to search and then look for 3D here. This is the effect. Just click on it, drag it onto your video. And now, to be able to remove the background, all you have to do is go here on the bottom left corner, click on the caret, and select Open FX Overlay. And now, all you have to do, it's very simple, just click on your video and the background disappears. Now, on the right side, make sure you have the filters selected, and here you can play with the options. For example, I want to remove that green line that remained here, and for that, all I have to do is drag the decibel to 1, and voila, the green line completely disappeared. And now, if I just drag another video with no background, and let's just move this one on top. As you can see, the background completely disappeared. Now, this is with the green screen, but we can also remove any other kind of backgrounds. And for that, I prepared a video with a black background, and everything works exactly the same. So just drag the clip onto the timeline, go to the 3D keyer, click on it, drag it to the video. Again, make sure you have the FX selected and it's turned on. Now go to the video. Let's drag the timeline here. As you can see, the background is black. And now, if I just click on here, I have the background removed. And again, if I want to do any kind of adjustments, all I have to do is come here and play with the effect. But most of the times, it works right away, depending on how many hues of the color your video has. And now, to be able to move and transform your video, make sure you select the transform here. And then you can just freely transform your elements. So that's it. That's how easy you can remove the background using just a simple filter in DaVinci Resolve 3. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, watch my next video, that's somewhere right here. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.